The Institute of Company Secretaries of India was set up in the year 1968, 4th of October, by the government, and thereafter it got a statutory recognition from the Parliament in the year 1980, effective from 1st January 1981. So we are now autonomous statutory body under the Administrative Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and we have now 68 chapters. We have 4 regional councils, and we have our headquarters in Delhi, Noida, and we have a Center for Corporate Governance, Research and Training at Navi Mumbai. We intend to set up another research training center in southern region in Hyderabad, for which 1.2 acre of land is being now earmarked for the institute by APIIC, and we are expecting the physical possession in Uppal area. If this being given, we will have the world-class research center in the southern city in Hyderabad. That is the intention of. We have currently 325,000 students across the country pursuing this company secretaryship course, and we have now around touching 31,000 roughly the members pursuing those who are member of the institute. So this is the state of affairs of the Institute of Company Secretaries. We are very closely working with the government in all the economic bills, whatever being coming to in the Parliament for debate. We are advising the government, we are assisting, we have been giving our views to the Parliament in the various standing committee, as well as to the government for any rule being formulated, any law is now required, any regulations required. So we have been now advising to the government. Recently, the institute, being a founder member of the Corporate Secretary International Association, the umbrella body of the company secretaries across the globe, has finally launched its meeting by attending a program in the World Trade Organization that is located in Geneva. And finally, now we have pitched into this world body to talk about the corporate secretary CS brand, to know about the company secretaries in the global map. So let's, debate is on, and we are requesting the global body to allow the corporate governance, compliances and secretarial advisory services in their business sectors, in the professional services subsectors. And if this being happening,